Let's talk about Azure Web App Deployment Slots. Azure Web App Deployment Slots provide a seamless way to deploy and manage different stages of your application, allowing you to test, validate, and roll out updates with ease. 1. Purpose. Azure Web App Deployment Slots enable you to create isolated instances of your web app, each with its own configuration settings and version of your application. This segregation facilitates staging, testing, and deployment of application updates without impacting your production environment. Usage. To make use of deployment slots, you can follow these steps. Access the Azure portal and navigate to your web app resource. Under the Settings section, click on Deployment Slots to create a new slot. Configure the deployment slot by specifying its name, resource group, and hosting plans. Once created, you can deploy a different version of your application to the slot, customize its settings, and test it thoroughly. Swap the slots to seamlessly promote the tested version to your production environment. 2. Purpose. Slot swapping is a powerful feature that allows you to easily swap the URLs of the deployment slots, thus controlling the release of your application updates. This mechanism eliminates any downtime during deployment. Usage. To leverage slot swapping, follow these steps. Select the source and destination slots you want to swap in the Azure portal. Initiate the swap operation, which exchanges the URLs between the source and destination slots. The process is atomic, ensuring that either both slots are successfully swapped or none at all. By default, the production slot is swapped with a non-production slot, making it a safe and seamless promotion process. 3. Purpose. Auto Swap takes the magic of slot swapping to the next level by integrating it with your VCS, version control system, or C/CD, continuous integration/continuous deployment, pipeline. This way, every time you push new code or perform a build, Azure automatically swaps the slots. Usage. To enable auto swap, consider these steps. Configure a deployment source, such as GitHub, Azure DevOps, or Bitbucket, for your web app in the Azure portal. Enable auto swap for a specific branch or trigger in the deployment source settings. Whenever changes are detected, Azure automatically initiates the swap process, deploying the new version of your application without manual intervention. This feature guarantees a streamlined process for frequent deployments, enabling rapid iteration and continuous delivery. In summary, here are the key points about Azure Web App Deployment Slots. Deployment slots allow you to isolate and test different versions of your application. Slot swapping enables seamless promotion and deployment of updates without downtime. Auto Swap automates the slot swapping process through VCS or C/CD integration. I hope this brief overview brings clarity and excitement to your Azure Web App deployment journey. Thanks for watching.